Hello guys, Spencer Gamer here, and I got a comment from Astonishing Studios on one of my Lego videos, my volume Lego review, saying that he liked it and he wanted me to do another one, and so I thought about doing another one. And joining us, as you can probably tell, is my cat, Kitty. Come on, Kitty. Yeah, she is. Also, you're gonna lay on my lap? Okay. Okay, so, got my Legos up on my bed. Yeah, it's gonna like be building. I don't know how long the video will be. Oh, sorry, Kitty. Oh, I know this is Lego Chima. Oh gosh. Yeah. I might just get this because it's been a while since I've been playing because doing anything with the Lego. If you're watching this Astonishing Studios, I gotta say hello and thank you for commenting on my Lego review video. My first Lego review. Oh. I built this thing a long time ago, and I remember it was like a gorilla type bird that's in its raw sounding like Godzilla. I think it was Godzilla. Yeah. Let me check and make sure this is right. Yeah, there we go. Okay, put the wings together. There we go. You guys can see. Yeah. Okay. So for yeah. What is this here? What is this? Go back on there. Don't know what you are, so I want you to stay together. Thank you. Here? No, I think it's like this. Right. Yeah. Huh. Was here? Not liking me right now. It's kind of hard to do it anyways. We got Kitty on my lap.